to use teleprompter on CapCut, or how you can use teleprompter recorder using a script on your CapCut. Hey everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can record using a script on your CapCut. For that, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your CapCut available on your device. If not, then you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store, and on the search bar, you have to search for the CapCut here. So if you see any update available, then you have to update up your app here. Once you have successfully updated up your app, so you have to open up your app and log into your account using your credential here. You can log into your CapCut with using your TikTok account or your Gmail account. Top, you can see the camera option. You have to go for the camera here. So let's go and tap on the camera. Once you have tab on the camera, you have to allow CapCut to take picture and record video. Go for the file using this app. So on the top there you can see the flip option, and under the flip you can see the teleprompter. So here you can see that. So hi, I'm a CapCut teleprompter. Here you can see the lines here. So if you want to edit your text or you want to record file using your script, so if you want to edit your text or if you want to record using a script, you have to go for the edit option, which will require the pro version here. So here you can see that it will require the pro version if you want, and go for the done option. So here you can see that you have to join the CapCut Pro to edit your script there. Then go back and go for the save changes. After that, you can go for the one shot or multi-clip here. Go and record the video here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily record a video in your CapCut by using a script. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.